Hello and welcome to Toll 2.0. In this video, let me show you how you can get started on your exciting staking journey. Head over to www.toll.network, click sign up. The URL will be available in the caption below. Here you will be able to register as a first-time user. Enter your first and last name and username. All of this should be unique just to you. Enter a valid email address and phone number and create your own password. If you've been referred, you can enter the referral code here. If you don't have one, you can simply enter root and proceed. Make sure to check the box to agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Click register and an OTP will be sent to your email. If it doesn't appear in the inbox, then please refer to the junk or spam folder. You have now officially been welcomed to the Toll 2.0 staking universe. Here you will be able to see the current price of Toll against the USD and your Toll balance. It will also show the amount staked and how many people are under you as referrals and the total rewards you've received. It's important to note that when you purchase a plan, the amount you pay will also be converted to USD and the rewards you get will also be in USD. Before buying a plan, you need to have a Toll wallet. When you click the wallet section on the left, you will be able to generate or create your own wallet. You will receive an email with your unique private key. To proceed, make sure that you download the PDF containing your private key and copy your private key, as you won't be able to access this again. Your wallet has now been successfully generated. When you go to the home page, you will see the coin. This is what you will click every day to get your daily rewards. The first time you click it, you will be prompted to subscribe to a plan. You will see here are 3 plans: Prospera, Advanta, and Liberty. You have the options of paying via BNB, BUSD, and USDT. You can also choose to split 50% of the payment with Tollcoin. Just check the box below. When you go to the Teams section, it will show you your business matching tree. It starts at the top, where you will be able to view your own route. Any of the main referrals will be on the right side under referral members. You can start to build your tree by booking places. Once you have enough referrals on your tree for you to maintain the 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 condition on your tree, you will be able to control this here. Enter the position number and the side you wish to put them on, the left tree or the right tree, and submit. You will then be able to see the booking ID of the referrals. Your team will be displayed here. That's just reserved, but without any confirmed or defined left or right side position on the tree of booking places. You can start to arrange this by assigning a fixed position for any referral under your tree through Assign Position. Enter the relevant member ID, for example, Book 848, enter their name, their email address, and create a password. The user will get an email mentioning their registered email and their password, containing a link that will direct them to toll.network. The user has to then enter their email and the password sent to them, and they will be onboarded onto Toll 2.0. You can also add a child under your tree. Just add their name, add their email, and create a password, and choose a position on your tree. You can then go back to the home page. This is where you click the coin to get your daily rewards. You can see the staked amount that you have entered at the beginning, along with your team total. Click the coin to get your first daily reward. Head over to Statistics, where you'll be able to see all your activity, such as your total locked investment amount, amount that you're able to withdraw, rewards that you're able to withdraw, and the total rewards breakdown, like your daily mining, direct rewards, and your business matching rewards. Once you have established all of this, you will be able to submit a withdrawal request if you have enough balance. Just enter the amount with a minimum of 10 Toll and click Submit. This is the future of staking. Welcome to Tollcoin 2.0.